Hi there, nice to meet you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Explorer Cloud. First of all, you need access, which means you need to sign up, but I'm sure you already done that. So from there on, you just have to log in, go to Profile, and that's basically all you need to use the widget. The widget is a version of Explorer which you can embed into your own website. You first have to fill out your primary domain. This primary domain is the domain which is allowed to use the widget. So if I want to add the widget on patrickgerard.de, I need to put the primary domain there. You can use your own OpenAI key. Then you have to adjust the system prompt. The system prompt is the behavior or the personality of the chatbot. For example, you can say, please be a friendly customer support bot. The primary prompt is, answer this question. We have two placeholders in Explorer. One is question and one is relevant docs. You see it in the curled braces. So to get to the relevant docs means own knowledge. In Explorer, you can upload your own knowledge and let the chatbot answer based on that knowledge. You don't need to do that, but it's possible. You just need to add the relevant docs in the braced bracket. Yeah, we also have some prompt IDs. For example, the customer service, a plain ChatGPT bot, and a funny professor. Here you can change the chat model you want to use. You see how much it approximately will cost you. And yeah. To get back to the widgets. The widgets can be embedded into your website by just using these two script tags. This one you would usually use in the header of your HTML. This one you can just embed in the footer. And you can also use the WordPress plugin. You download the plugin and install it. I already done that here, and I go on settings and Explorer widget, paste my API key and save it. And from there on, we have the chatbot on our website. The same works, like I said, with HTML. Here, for example, I have my own website. I go to the blog post where I embedded it, and I have the chatbot here. Who is Angela Merkel? And you can see it answers perfectly. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out via the contact us. We are also in a test phase, the alpha phase. So if you experience any bug, please make sure to report it. The tenant itself, you can use to add tenants to the Explorer client, which is a desktop app. You can find it here. You can find it here, and the shared knowledge is then shared between all your tenants. You need to log in with this kind of login details. You can show the API key. You can make sure that this tenant can upload other data or can only read data to communicate with the Explorer Cloud. If you want to buy a token and not use your own API keys, you can just go here, which leads to a Stripe page. You put in your payment details. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.